What's up, YouTube? Pat the Car Guy here from Gresham Toyota, your gateway to adventure. Talking to you today from inside one of our beautiful new vehicles. This is a 2020 Tacoma TRD off-road package that I'm sitting in right now. And I had a subscriber write a comment asking how to update the power door locks feature or customize the door lock feature on his new 2020 Tacoma. So we're going to show you. First thing we're going to want to do is get in the truck, start it on up. Gotta do something about that glare there. Next, we're going to hit the menu button, menu hard key on the left side of the screen, setup. We're going to go down to vehicle customization, and then the door lock settings. Select doors to unlock all doors. Let's see if that worked. Hey, it worked. Again, I'm Patrick over here at Gresham Toyota, your gateway to adventure. If you have any questions, feel free to call me at that number below. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up or subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. Have a great day.